China has been sustaining the government subsidy payment to support the National Consumer Goods Trading Program. The central government has earmarked 300 billion yuan or $41.84 billion in treasury bonds to support local authorities in implementing the program in 2025, doubling last year's budget. Two tranches of the central funding totaling 162 billion yuan were issued in January and April to support first-half implementation, with further allocations planned for July and October to cover the third and fourth quarters of the year. And the results: a surge in consumption for goods like electronics. Sales of iPhones rose 8% year-on-year in China in the second quarter of the year. That represented Apple's first sales growth in China since the second quarter of 2023. What that brings is a promising market for display material makers.
China has been definitely very dynamic, supported by the subsidies, which not only has helped the display industry, I think, to renew the devices on the market, but also has been an opportunity to replace old devices by newest technologies, which has a positive impact on the global footprint, for example, because by replacing old technologies by new ones consuming less power, automatically you will have also a positive impact in terms of global warming and in terms of sustainability development.
3 years ago, Merck announced a 1 billion yuan investment in China by this year, and the investment has already been spread across its business in the country, specifically the electronics sector. And now it's looking at more opportunities in the optronics business.
China now, is the largest suppliers of display in the world, and definitely they have the opportunity, I think, to drive new innovation. AI is providing definitely new opportunities in terms of developing new interfaces between the human being and the machine. AR/VR is the second one, where we see definitely a nice ecosystem developing in China concerning AR components. The last one is automotive industry. If you look at the display growth overall, automotive industry is the ones which basically shows the highest growth in terms of display development.
As of May 31st, China's trading program has boosted sales of consumer goods totaling 1.1 trillion yuan this year. That's according to the Ministry of Commerce. Data from the National Bureau of Statistics showed sales of household appliances and audiovisual equipment in May surged 53% from a year ago, with sales of communication devices up by 33%.